Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a safe method: an Android mock location app, a dedicated GPS faker, or VPN plus app-level spoof. Enable developer options and turn on the mock location permission if you use Android. On iOS, prepare your computer tool and cable. Once done, install a trusted GPS spoofing app or verified VPN client and verify app permissions for location access. Make sure your device battery is charged and background location access is allowed so the spoof remains stable during testing. Now you execute the change. Open your chosen tool, pick target coordinates or drop a pin, and set the app as the mock location provider, or enable VPN routing if using IP-based spoofing. Once active, open the target app that reads location and confirm it shows the new position. If the app polls frequently, increase the spoof app's update interval for smoother behavior. Make sure GPS accuracy is set high, and that the spoofing app runs in the foreground or as an allowed background service. To finish, close and reopen the target app so it caches the new coordinates, and if necessary, reboot the device to ensure system services accept the change. If the location still reverts, toggle GPS mode between high accuracy, GPS plus network, and device only, or temporarily disable any location integrity settings the app enforces. If problems persist, clear the app cache, re-grant location permissions, then reapply the spoof. One key troubleshooting tip: check for app updates or security features that detect mock locations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.